welcome back to my channel. So guys, the video you saw earlier is yung 10th year anniversary ni Albert Kurniawan sa industry. Well, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa inyo kung sino si Albert Kurniawan, si Albert Kurniawan is a renowned makeup artist dito sa Philippines. Which is, yung mga clients niya is si Heart Evangelista, si Kim Chu, Alex Gonzalez. And in his 10th year anniversary, he released his own makeup line that I will be sharing with you later. But before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe now. So if you want to know this makeup line, please do continue watching. So guys, nakikita nyo naman sa screen nyo today that I have my makeup on. I have my foundation, my contour, my blush, and I also have my eyeshadow. So kasi, nilagay ko na yung mga products na to beforehand bago ko ilagay yung mga products that I got from the event. So, itong Teviant products na to that I will show you is kasama lahat sa loot. So, I'll be showing you the first product that I got from Teviant. So, ito yung packaging ng eyebrow powder, which is, ito yung name ng brand, tapos yung eyebrow powder, and the shade. I got the shade Empress, and sa likod ng kanyang packaging, may nakalagay na kung saan gawa, made in Italy, and distributed dito sa atin, sa Makati. And basahin ko lang shortly yung nakalagay dito sa brow products. So, emphasizing, fixing, and redesigning the eyebrows or simply giving a more pronounced color is the prerogative of fixed eyebrow. So, yun yung sinasabi niya dito sa likod ng packaging of Teviant. By the way guys, ang maganda dito sa packaging is nandito lahat ng kailangan mong malaman. Which is nandito yung ingredients, saan siya gawa, yung kanyang claims, andito rin yung kanyang website, nandito rin yung manufacturing date, yung expiration date, and yung lot number. So, everything you want to find sa isang makeup or sa isang cosmetic is lahat ay nandito sa likod, which is a good thing. So, eto yung laman niya sa loob. So, sobrang classy ng packaging. So, ayan guys. Rose gold yung color niya. And, sa likod is, nakalagay ulit yung brand, yung kanyang name, tapos nandito rin yung website, nandito rin kung saan gawa, and kung gaano karami ang laman. So, nakalagay dito siya ay 3 grams of products. And when you open the product, ganito ang kanyang itsura. Yan, guys. So, meron ditong Teviant na cover. Meron din siyang brush and spoolie, which is good kasi everything is nandito na lahat. No. Next product that I'm showing you is yung mga falsies, which is na human hair. So, ayan. Ito yung mga falsies. I got 3 falsies. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa nga napansin kahapon when I check na for lower lashes pala yung isa. So, etong nakuha ko una is yung Farah, which is siya yung shape niya is mas mahaba yung sa end. The next is yung Audrey, which is ito yung full lashes na talaga. And the next is ito yung Cindy for the lower lashes. So, next is I'll be showing you yung eyebrow gel. So, ganito yung itsura ng packaging. Yung the typical packaging ng mga eyebrow gel. So, syempre, ang color niya pa rin is yung baby pink or yung light pink. And nakalagay din dito yung ingredients, nakalagay din yung manufacturing and expiration date. Same as doon sa mga ibang package. And ganito yung itsura ng loob niya. Yan. I don't know, parang silver siya sa screen, pero parang rose gold din yung color niya. Same yung color ng eyebrow powder. So, the last product that I got is glitter liner. So, meron tayong dalawang glitter liner. Yan guys, which is yung oro and yung amber. Yan. Ito yung oro guys and yung amber. Ganito yung itsura ng kanyang applicator, which is yung regular na applicator of mga glittered liner. And iswatch din natin itong eyebrow powder. Glitter na brown. Yan. Darker brown. And doon naman sa eyebrow gel is ang nakuha ko is yung blonde. And guys, I'll just put sa description box below the rest of the products that I have on my face na hindi Teviant. So, let's start! eyeliner na amber. And lastly, I'll use this Falsies na Farah. So hello guys, ito na ang ating final look. So yun guys, so I'll be sharing with you my full thoughts about the products. So number 1 is yung brow powder. Well, sa packaging naman, wala naman ako masasabi. Sobrang luxurious, sobrang ganda. So favorite color ko rin kasi itong rose gold and sobrang classy ng packaging. Regarding naman dun sa consistency of the product, hindi naman siya sobrang powdery, but ang nagustuhan ko is medyo creamy siya when you touch yung mismong powder ng product. So next naman natin guys is yung glitter liners. Well, nagustuhan ko sobrang glitter liners kasi ang daling gamitin ng applicator. Sobrang lambot ng brushes niya at nare-reach niya yung mga part na malapit sa eyelashes. So yun. So if you want to have a simple look, simple lang na makeup, pero merong konting glamorous about it, gumamit kayo guys ng glitter liner. Kasi sobrang helpful talaga nito to make your face glow and your eyes glow kahit na sobrang simple lang ng mga makeups nyo. So next is the Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Well, napunta sa akin yung blonde na color, which is okay kasi meron akong mga darker na color na dito. So, wala pa akong ganito ka-blonde. And sobrang nagustuhan ko. And even yung applicator, itong spoolie ng eyebrow gel, is sobrang nagustuhan ko. Kasi sobrang nipis lang niya, sobrang liit lang niya. And nare-reach niya yung mismong mga hairs lang. At hindi niya tinatamaan yung skin ko sa aking eyebrow. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Ito actually yung favorite ko. The rest, dito sa rest ng products na nakuha ko from Teviant. So, last but not the least is itong mga falsies. So, gamit ko na isang falsies. So, ayan. Ang gamit ko is yung Farah. So, I love the falsies kasi, syempre, human hair. Pag human hair kasi, mas more natural looking siya sa face. So, hindi masyadong mukhang fake yung eyelashes. Although, ma-recognize mo naman nearly kapag lumapit ka na naka-falsies ka. Pero, kasi, pag malayo, sobrang natural looking lang niya. Ang ganda kasi I have 3 here and meron sila for lower lashes. Now, yun ang nagustuhan ko kasi bihira sa mga lash line yung merong for lower lashes. Though, yung nakuha ko para sa lower lashes is medyo feeling ko mahaba. Pero, ang maganda sa mga natural or human hair na mga lashes is you can cut it. Pwede mo siyang i-trim doon sa necessary length na gusto mo. And is hindi ako nahirapan na i-apply itong mga lashes na to. Most of the time kasi, pag medyo plastic type ng falsies, medyo nahihirapan ako. Tapos meron akong pain na nararamdaman dito sa mga ends ng lashes ko, dito sa ends ng mga lids ko. So yun yung hindi ko nagugustuhan sa mga medyo merong konting plastic type na mga falsies. Pero ito, sobrang wala akong pain na nararamdaman ngayon. And sobrang lightweight niya guys. Wala akong nararamdaman na weight. Parang wala akong suot na falsies. Which is yon yung nagustuhan ko dito sa falsies na ng Teviant. So guys, that's the rest of the products that I got from Teviant. So meron silang mga makeup products, meron din silang mga makeup tools. So I don't have here yung main product nila, which is yung eyeshadow palette. So siguro ordering ko na lang siya online para bigyan ko rin kayo ng full thoughts about doon sa products na yun. So if you want to order guys, I will flash yung website nila down here para maka-pre-order na kayo ng mga products niya. And let's support guys yung mga in-house makeup artists natin kasi sila yung nagpapaganda sa atin, lalo na sa mga special events, which is yung mga weddings, yung mga birthdays, 18 birthdays, yung mga debut. And guys, I will just put the rest of the makeup that I use in my face today sa description box below na lang. And I will also put the link of the site Teviant dito, pati yung Facebook nila and yung Instagram account nila dito na lang sa description box below din. So guys, if you want another makeup tutorial or makeup look or you want to try on another product, please do comment down below or you can PM me sa aking mga social media accounts, which is yung Facebook, Instagram, and yung Twitter. So guys, if you haven't liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up below and the red subscribe button below. Plus, if you want to get notified with my vlogs, please don't forget to click the bell. So yun lang guys. Bye!